In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace an exterior door threshold. Here I have a 32-inch exterior door in my garage, and the threshold, if you take a close look, you can see is rotting away. Right here, this big old hole, and you can tell with these scratch marks and how this is chewed up, that is where mice are getting into my garage and ultimately into my house. Not only is this going to stop them from coming in, but it's also going to protect from weather, snow, rain, all that stuff, and stop insects. And it's just, you know, you need a threshold on your door. Above here, I believe that the gutters probably backed up and water was splashing down here and getting in here and rotting it out. So if you can, first fix the source of the problem and then you can replace the threshold. Step one is to remove the old threshold. Make sure I'm through all the way. A little bit right there. Now this piece is coming right out. There we go. This white stuff is actually caulking, so I can scrape it off with this old chisel. If I have to, I can use a hammer. Just try to make sure the sides are clear. So when we put this new threshold in, it goes in with no issues. Now that that's all cleared out, we're going to take a measurement for the new threshold. Looks to be about 32 1/16, a little strong. We'll measure back here. Same thing, 32 1/16, a little strong. Because this is wood, metal, and plastic, I'm gonna use, that I love, that I don't use a ton, but it's gonna be perfect for this. This is the Evolution Power Saw, because it can cut through wood, metal, and plastic. Okay, let's test fit it. Here, from the inside. And first, I'm gonna take these out completely. You just keep unscrewing them. They will come out of the nut that's in there. Okay, and we can lift this piece right off. Like that. Don't lose these. Need those. That's what helps make the adjustment. So this is what I'm going to use to attach this. These are called Tapcons. These are concrete screws. I have a masonry bit for these. Make sure it's the right size and just drill through right here. Just like that. Do the same thing over here. Okay. And I'm just going to use construction adhesive. There's not too much. Why not a little dab right where those screws are going. So I'm going to slide it in the same way. Be careful not to get the glue on the front because it is going to push it. Tap. We'll tap it into place right where it needs to be. Nice. I can put these bolts back in here. I'm going to try not to scratch this up. The little thing goes right in that groove right here. So I'm going to line it up. There we go. Okay, now all four of these have the bolts in and they have that snap ring on there. So we can line that up. Just wiggle this around, make sure those are sitting in there. I don't want to cross thread it. So the last thing I would recommend doing is to take some caulking and caulk this in right here. I might fix that, but really I want to replace this weather stripping first, especially on the other side, because this is where the mice chewed it up. The only thing I'm going to do, just because it's unsightly, is I'm going to caulk in this gap right here, and I'll use silicone for that, black silicone. So if you had a door threshold that looked a little something like this, I hope this video helps you out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.